Welcome to today's book reading tutorial by Bookluv channel. Today we shall learn more about Kathakali, a world-famous classical dance form from India. Kathakali. Kerala, India is the place where the Kathakali dance form first appeared. This type of dancing is regarded as classical. Two types of dance dramas, Ramanattam and Krishnattam, which depict episodes from the Ramayana and Mahabharata, emerged in Kerala temples under the patronage of feudal lords. Later on, these theatrical practices gave rise to Kathakali, which gets its name from the words Katha and Kali, which mean, respectively, story and drama. It also has connections with other classic martial arts performances and the Sanskrit theatre tradition of Kudiyattam. It has a wonderful balance of singing, dancing, and acting. However, Kathakali as an art form started to disappear as the feudal order collapsed. The renowned Malayala poet V. N. Menon revived it in the 1930s with the help of Mukunda Raja. Features of Kathakali. Basically, Kathakali is a male-dominated art style. It is rare to see props used in Kathakali performances. However, more intricate headwear and facial makeup are used for distinct personalities. Various hues have various meanings. Green is a color that represents virtuous character, divinity, and majesty. Red blotches near the nose are a sign of royalty. Black is often used to denote vice and wickedness. Saints and women are connected with the color yellow. Red paint applied entirely on the face indicates evil. People with white beards are more spiritually and intellectually advanced. Features. Drama and dance are combined, and the two are intertwined. The majority of Kathakali recitals feature a depiction of the never-ending struggle between good and evil. It borrows themes from epic and Puranic stories. It goes by the term Ballad of the East. Songs in Kathakali are sung in Manipravalam, a language that combines Malayalam and Sanskrit. The audience's understanding of the entire drama depends on the music. Different musical compositions are used throughout the performance to give the drama dimension. The motions are possibly the dance drama's crowning achievement. Kathakali is known for its depiction of the rasas through eyebrow motions, which are used to tell the story. The navarasas, or 9 important facial expressions, are taught to indicate various emotions. There are also a lot of hand movements. As a result, this dance form necessitates extensive training. Kathakali is usually performed in open-air theatres on coarse mats or on temple grounds with Kerala's lush green trees as a backdrop. Lighting is provided by a brass lamp. Kathakali music is based on Kerala's traditional Sopana Sangeet. On the flight of stairs leading to the Sanctum Sanctorum, the Ashtapadis are required to sing in a ritualistic manner. The raga and tala of Carnatic music, which follow the bhava, rasa, and dance patterns, are currently utilized in Kathakali music, Nrita and Natya. The orchestra is made up of the Chanda, Madalam, Chenhila, Ilathalam, Idaka, and Shanku and is also used in other ancient Kerala performing arts. Kathakali is the most well-liked dance style in Kerala. Literally, the name means story play. It is renowned for the designs of its costumes and makeup. They frequently illustrate tales from the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, and other Puranas. One of the most well-known Kathakali dancers is Kulmandalam Gopi. 3 decades of his career are behind him. He received the prestigious Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Bookluv recommends the following books. Kathakali Dance, Theatre, a visual narrative of sacred Indian mime by K. Gopalakrishnan. Kathakali, Dancers of India, Dances of India, by S. Balakrishnan. Kathakali, The Art of the Non-Worldly by Appukuttan Nair and K. Ayyappa Paniker. The Language of Kathakali by Premakumar. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and happy reading.